everyone, my name is Pritam and welcome to another video. In the previous video, I have given you a basic introduction on Python, that what exactly we are going to discuss in this playlist, what exactly Python is. But I know that is not sufficient enough, and we will talk about Python a lot. Okay, when the playlist will be going on, we will be discussing about various concepts of Python, why we are using it, what exactly Python is. In every aspect we will try to explain and try to understand. Okay, but before that we have to install the Python first of all in our PC, and also an IDE. Okay, IDE means an integrated development environment, and I am going to use PyCharm here. Okay, so let me talk about PyCharm. So this is the IDE. In the download section, this is the professional one. Okay, so if you can afford that, that is fine, but I would say use the community version. Okay, you click the download button here, it will be getting downloaded. I already installed it, downloaded it, and that's why I am here. PyCharm I am having, and Python also I'm having. Okay, so both the things I'm going to show you that how to download for about Python. So here yeah, sorry, yeah, python.org download. So here in the download section you can download the latest version. Okay, I am not using any particular Python version here right now. You can start with any version of Python 3. Okay, that is fine for the beginning purposes. When we will be deep dive, when we'll be talking about some advanced topics or intermediate topics, there will be creating virtual environments and all, and there I will try to maintain one Python version only, so that it could be easier for you to understand and to implement the things which I'm going to show in the upcoming videos in the playlist. Okay, so click here only the download option and the download will start. Okay, I'm not downloading because already I have downloaded, so that's why I'm not going to download again. Okay, so first of all, what is going to happen? You have to double click here, add to Python python.exe to path. Okay, and install now. So it will take some time to install, and I'm fast forwarding it. So as you can see that was successful. Okay, now how to check? So you can search here, and Python IDE will be pop up. Okay, that is fine. Just install, and for checking purpose you can write print Python. So you can do one thing, you can search here, and Python ideally it will be popped up. Okay, that is fine. That means it has been installed. And for checking purpose you can write print Python and check. Okay, it is running. Also there are many other ways, like if you go to CMD. Okay, so here if you write Python, you can see there are 3 greater than symbols which are prompting that this is a Python prompt, and you can type anything like x equal to 10, then x. Okay, in such a way. There are many other methods, like if you go to CMD and if you write where Python, you can see the path of the Python here. Okay, so by all these ways you can confirm that Python has been installed or not. Okay, so we can use Python ideally, or that Python shell or something like that. Okay, here Python, this one also. Okay, and ideally also we can use for Python programming, but you need to understand how PyCharm works, because all the development works which are which you will be doing in the industry, in maximum cases PyCharm is getting used. Also Anaconda is there, many other things are there, but I would prefer Python because obviously it is I personally like it. That's why I'm actually trying to make you guys understand about this IDE. Also we can use VS Code, but for particularly Python development, I would prefer PyCharm. Okay, and it will take some time to install, so I'm fast forwarding it. So as you guys can see that it has been installed and it is asking to reboot. So let's connect after the reboot. Okay, so I have rebooted my system, and as you guys can see here, this is the PyCharm community version. Okay, so let's open it and let's try to set up. So new project, for example, and tutorial. Okay, do not, like, if you are new here, completely new here, do not touch anything else. Okay, there are vnb, pip, environment, poetry, conda, there are many things, but put it in such a way it is right now, and let's create. Okay, so everything is getting created, like virtual environment and all. Okay, let's wait for some time. Yeah, now it is almost ready. Yeah, okay, now it is almost ready. If you want to change the theme, like for example light would be better now. Okay, dark also you can choose if you want, but if you ask me, then my favorite one is something. Okay, one second. Theme, then install theme. Okay, yeah, so here I would search Volt 9. Okay, and this is one of my favorite, you can try. Okay, yeah, so everything is here. And now if you can see that, like I cannot like if I put the press the control button, and if I scroll up and scroll down the mouse, you can see that it is static, not changing. So I have to change that. And also I want to change the shortcut key for the shift, from the shift 10. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, go to settings, and here I would write mouse will zoom. So here, this is the tick. Okay, for the active editor. If you want, you can put the all editors also, but I would prefer the active editor. Okay, change the font size with control plus mouse wheel in. Okay, apply. Now you can see it is more handy now, right? So another thing is the shortcut key, right? So example, run, you can see run here, right? Shift alt shift 10 or shift 10. Okay, this one. So let's add a keyboard shortcut, shift space, which I used to prefer. Okay, so if I push 10, so yeah, shift space, so hi PyCharm is getting printed. Okay, so in this way, like now you do not need all these things. Let's remove them actually. Okay, all these comments and all. Okay, only there are two things, def and high. Okay, remove this one also. We do not need all these things. If name equal mean main, print print PyCharm, only this one. Let's run it. So PyCharm is here, you can see. Okay, so this is a basic Python. Okay, let's remove this one also. Print, let's save it and run it. So this is a basic print statement. So print statement is nothing but to print something, and using single quote, like within the single code, we used to write whatever we want, and that thing would be printed out. That's the basic thing in C, C++, Java, in every language. Almost same thing is there, right? So this is the basic Python setup where we will be working on, and I will try to explain all those concepts which will be needed. Okay, so that's why stay connected with this playlist, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that when the videos will be uploaded, you will be get notified. Okay, so this much for today, guys, and see you in the next video. We will start finally Python concepts. Okay.